Okay, guys, let's get started. So in today's session, we are going to do the setup of our virtual machine. We need a virtual machine so that that machine will be enrolled into Intune, and we will be uh, deploying the policies and applications and everything on that particular machine. So first of all, we have to install this application, which is VirtualBox. Okay. So I hope everyone has downloaded this VirtualBox, Azure Oracle VirtualBox. So this is an application which will help you to create virtual machine. Okay. So in case if you guys are facing challenges while watching and performing on the screen, then you can join this meeting link on your mobile as well or iPad, so that you can watch on the mobile and perform it on the computer side by side. Okay. And I will also share the recording with you guys after the training so that you can do it later on in case if you are left behind. Okay. So guys, let's focus on this one. So double click on this virtual box and install this application in your computer.
So shall I do it or?
Yeah, do it.
Okay, sir.
Each one of you need to install this application on your computer. Okay, so it says welcome. Let's go next. Next.
So can I change this location and all? I've created a separate drive for this.
Okay, so you would like to do it on Edge
H
drive.
fold. Yes, sir.
You would like to install this in Edge drive. Okay, so your computer has um,
So this is I've created a okay.
is your are you using SSD or
Okay, sir. 1 second.
huh?
Uh, Sir, it's a hard disk.
It's not SSD.
SSD is also there, sir.
Which one is SSD?
It's this one, sir. C drive.
How much space is remaining in C drive?
Sir, I can use
77.
yes, sir. I can use a G drive as well, sir. Actually, I was uh, trying to create a new drive and all. Instead of 200 GB, I've created it 20 GB. But I can do it that later and all. In G drive, we can install it.
No, you don't want to install in C drive?
No, sir, it has not close to 100 GB space. So is this fine?
That's okay.
Yes,
Let's install in C drive itself. Okay, the default
got it.
location.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Next. Yes. Yes. Install. Finish. Okay, so we have installed this application, which is Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, and this is the application. When you launch this application, so how will you launch this application? The icon is there on the desktop. Can you go back to your desktop? so that everyone can see. The icon is down at the bottom, you see,
Yes.
Oracle Virtual uh, VM VirtualBox. Okay. Now, so this is the application which will help you to create your virtual machine. Now we are going to create our first Windows 10 virtual machine. So you have downloaded the ISO as well.
Correct, sir.
Okay. So ISO is there in
H drive, sir.
H drive. Okay. Now, since you are using C drive as your SSD, so I would suggest you use C drive to create your virtual machine in. Okay.
Got it. Got it, sir.
Because that will
Be faster.
be the faster.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, let's click on new on the top. Now here you need to type in your first three letter of your city name. Suppose if you are in Bangalore, type in BAN or yeah, okay, VLR. And then you need to type in W means Windows, VM. VM means virtual machine 001. So this is our first virtual machine.
Got it,
Okay,
sir.
guys. So this is going to be uh, VLR WVM001, first virtual machine. Now it is going to be Windows 10. Now C drive has you got 75 gigabyte free space in C drive.
Correct, sir.
Hello,
Uh,
Kasif. I
seven,
have one query.
se-
So,
yeah.
in our machine also we have to select, use BLR as the name of virtual machine, or we have to change the name.
Where are you located?
I'm
In
from
Bangalore?
Chennai. Chennai.
Chennai. Okay. So you type in CHN,
Okay, thank you.
the first three letter of your city name. Or you can type in BLR as well. That is not a problem. Anything of your choice. Now, uh, why I am doing it? Because in production environment, we have naming convention. Okay. So the computer which is located in Bangalore will start with BLR or BN, something like that. Computer which is in Mumbai, it will start with MUM or something like that. Okay, now your C drive has 77 gigabyte free space, D drive 127, E drive 210. We can do it on other drives as well, but since you are using SSD,
Yes.
C drive is SSD, so I would suggest use C drive. But mm, in if possible, you can do some cleanup task or move some of your files from C drive to other drive so that you can free up some more space in C drive
Sure, sir.
later.
I'll do
Not
that.
now,
Got it, sir.
later. Okay. Now, so guys, you need to check which drive has more space. Okay. Now, so we will go with the default one here, but other people, you need to check which drive has more space. So ideally you choose that drive. Okay, let's go next.
Sir, ISO image, we need to select here?
No, we don't
Okay.
have to.
Got it, sir.
Now we will give, um, so how much RAM is there in your computer?
Sir, 16 GB.
16 GB, good. And processor?
Sir, 4 core, 4 thread.
Okay, fine. So we will give 4 GB RAM. So what is 4 GB RAM? 4096.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so 4096.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's give 4097, more than 4 gigabyte.
97.
4097. Okay. Now, how much memory you can give? Let's give, sorry, the processor. Let's give 2-core processor. 2. Okay, guys. Now, next, you need to give 80 gigabyte. Okay, hard disk space. 80, 80, not 800. Okay, 80 gigabyte hard disk space. Next, finish. Okay, so this is how we do the initial setup. Now, in order to power on this machine, we need the ISO disk image. Okay, so that it will start booting up the machine and it will load the Windows operating system on that Windows 10 operating system. So there is a section called storage, right? Storage. Under storage, we have two port, SATA port 0, SATA port 1. So the SATA port 1 has optical drive. So you need to click on empty in front of optical drive. Click on empty
Sure, sir.
and choose a file, choose a disk file, and choose your ISO image file, the one which you downloaded, the Windows 10 ISO image file, the one which you downloaded yesterday or
Yes.
today. Yeah, click on open. Okay, so we have inserted the disk image. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now you need to power on this machine. Click on start, normal
So
start.
normal start. Okay.
Hmm. So down at the bottom, you will see the machine will come. Yeah, there you go. This is the machine. You need to click on the black window first. Click on the black window. Cancel. Yeah, now click on the black window. Okay. Next. Install now. Okay, so it's asking for the product key. Do we have the product key? We don't have. So let's click on I don't have product key.
Sure, sir.
Now there are various operating system in this ISO image file. So let's choose Windows 10 Pro, 64-bit. Yeah.
So
Next.
can I click on next? Okay.
Yes. Accept the license terms. Next. Choose the second option, custom. Next. So are you guys on the same page? Surinder,
Yes,
Moin,
Kaushik.
Karthik,
Yes, Kaushik.
Santosh, you will have to wait because your setup will be different on Azure.
Okay, Kaushik.
So we need a Windows 10 or Windows 11 machine so that, oh, hmm, there was some settings which we had to do, guys.
Okay, sir.
Let's do one thing. Let's power off this machine. I missed those steps, guys. Let's power off this machine. Right click on BLR WVM001 and power off. Stop. Power off. Power off. Right click on that BLR WVM001 and delete that machine. Remove. Delete all files. Sorry guys, there was some more
No problems.
option which we had to select. Uh, have you guys deleted everyone?
Discuss. Yes.
Let's go to the folder where, okay, so um okay, so um okay, let's click on new on the top and type in WIN VM001. Okay, WIN VM001. Okay, WIN means Windows VM virtual machine 001. Okay, now let's go next. Give 4096, same as before. 97. 97.
So this two.
2 core processor. Next, give 80 gigabyte 80. Next, finish. Okay, so the setting what we had to do is let's connect the disk. You have the SATA port 1. Click on empty. Choose a disk file and choose Windows 10 ISO image file. Now you need to click on setting on the top. Each one of you click on setting. Here in the setting, you go to system, and in system you have to choose 1 minute. One minute, guys. Let me
Sure, sir.
open my computer and setting, and we have a system. Okay, so we need to click on choose the TPM says none, right? Let's choose TPM none. Let's choose V 2.0 so that we can enable the BitLocker on this machine.
Got it,
Okay.
sir.
Then you choose what else? Enable EFI and enable secure boot. So you need to choose enable EFI. Below you have enable EFI. Yeah, check that box, and below you choose enable secure boot. Okay, so match the screen, guys. We have chosen 3 things here: TPM version 2.0, then enable EFI and enable secure boot. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Now let's click on Okay.
So these are the prerequisites to check before
This is
applying
not
BitLocker and all.
prerequisite. This is why we are doing it, so that we can enable the BitLocker on that machine. If TPM is
Yeah.
not there, then we cannot do the BitLocker.
So for enabling BitLocker in my organization, I need to have these settings
So
on my devices.
uh, on your virtual machines, generally we don't do any BitLocker on virtual machine. We do it on laptops. So by default,
Okay.
laptops have those settings. TPM is available on laptops. Got it?
Thank you.
Now let's power on this machine. Click on that and press any key. Click on that, the black window, and press any key.
Yes, sir. Done that.
Okay. Next. Install now. Click on I do not have a product key. Choose Windows 10 Pro. Next. Accept the license terms and condition. Next. Second option, custom. Next. Is everyone on the same page now?
Yes, yes. Yes.
Okay, while it is happening, Santosh, you share your screen.
Yeah, yes, Kaushik.
Okay, so this is your free trial account, Azure free trial account.
Yes.
Now, this is your office computer,
No, Kaushik. Personal.
the personal one. Okay, you got 4 GB only, right?
Yes.
Okay, is it SSD?
No.
The old spinning hard disk, right?
No, SSD only. Sorry.
SSD.
Yeah, SSD only.
Okay. Hmm. So the memory can be extended. Is it possible to 8 GB? Do you know?
That one I need to check, Kaushik. I need to
Okay, that's not a problem.
calculate.
So let's create a virtual machine. So on the top, you have search resources. So let's search virtual machine.
So for some reason, my screen, I'm not able to see his screen, so I'm joining it from the browser.
Okay, let's click on create. and choose first option, Azure Virtual Machine. So Santosh is doing it on Azure, and rest, each one of you will have to do it locally on Oracle VirtualBox. So we need a virtual machine. So Santosh does not have enough configuration on his computer. That's the reason he is doing it on Azure Cloud Data Center.
Yeah,
Clear?
Kashyap, next week, yeah. Now I am doing, yeah, like next week I will do practical.
Locally?
Locally I can.
Okay, good. Now, so it says free trial. Yes, you have free trial. Resource group. We need to create a resource group. Let's click on create new and type in um, Intune Training, one word. Click OK. Now type in WINVM001, capital letter. So this is your first virtual machine. Got it?
Yeah.
Now, below you have availability zone. Let's choose none. No infrastructure redundancy required. Okay. Then below you have security type called trusted launch virtual machine. Choose a standard. Choose a standard. Then below you have image. So what will be your operating system image? Choose Windows 10 Pro. Okay. Now that's fine. Let's go down. Now below you have size. So the how much memory and processor you will give it to this machine. So let's click on the drop down and wait. 1 CPU and 3.5 RAM. Okay, let's click on see all sizes. See all sizes. And choose the one which says choose the one which says 2 CPU and 7 GB RAM. DS2 underscore V2. Yeah, that is the one. DS2 underscore V2. Yeah, choose that one. Select below. Okay. Now username. Type in your name, Santosh. Password. Choose any password of your choice. And make a note of this password. If you lose this password, you will not be able to log into this machine. Okay. So make a note of this username and password somewhere on a piece of paper somewhere. Santosh and the password. Okay.
Okay.
Down, go down, down, down at the bottom. Go down, 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 and choose this. I confirm I have an eligible Windows 10 license. Okay. Let's go next. Next. Now here it is asking virtual machine, virtual network, sorry. So let's click on create new. In front of that, you have create new. And the name which says WIN VM001-VNet, delete that. Delete. Type in India-VNet, India network. So all the machine in India will be connected to this network, India-VNet. Okay, click on OK down at the bottom. Now below you have subnet and then public IP, the third column, the third row, public IP. Now in front of public IP, click on create new and choose basic and click OK. Now let's click on next, 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 review plus create. It's going to cost you 14 rupees per hour. Not from your credit card. First 30 days free of cost. After 30 days, if you would like to continue, then it will cost you 14 rupees per hour. Let's click on create. So this is how you create your virtual machine. All good?
Yeah, yeah, Kashif.
Now, I was on whose computer before?
So it was me.
Okay. Let's share your screen again, Shivam. Is the machine ready? Oh, no, no. Oh, you joined from two different. Okay. Is the minimize this, Shivam? Yeah. Where is the machine? Okay. Are you guys on this page? Moin, Surinder,
Yes,
Karthik.
yes, yes.
Okay. Let's click on yes. Is this keyboard? That's okay. Yes. Skip. Okay. So now it is asking you to, would you like to use it for a personal use or organization? Let's use the second option, set up for an organization. Next. Wait. Don't click on next. Karthik, Surinder,
Yeah,
Moin, are you guys on this page now?
right.
Now we have to take a snapshot of this machine. What do you mean by snapshot? A snapshot is to capture the image of that machine at that point of time so that we can come back in case if something goes wrong. So how do we take snapshot? Let's go back to the VirtualBox manager. Okay, so in here, we need to click on in front of WIN VM001, you have 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots and choose a snapshot. Now click on take on the top. You have take and type in blank machine. Delete that and type in blank machine. So we haven't logged into that machine. So it's a blank machine snapshot. Click on OK. It will take few seconds. Take the snapshot. All good, guys? Everyone?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Surinder, you share your screen. Sorry, Santosh. Is the machine ready? Okay, yes,
Yes.
your deployment is complete. Now let's on the top search again virtual machine. That's your machine, WIN001. The only difference, guys, Santosh machine is in
Okay.
cloud and your machine is in your laptop, the local laptop. That's the difference. Santosh is using Azure Cloud Data Center, so his machine is running in Central India Data Center. Okay, all good? Clear, guys? Now, Santosh, you need to stop this machine. Whenever you are done with your session, you have to stop the machine. Otherwise, it will keep on charging 14 rupees from your free trial account. Got it?
Yes.
Check the box which says there is a checkbox before the machine. Check the box and click on stop. Yeah, click on yes. So tomorrow, before you join the session, you need to start the machine. Okay?
Yeah.
So for you, there will be little difference in the steps. Okay? Because you are using Azure free trial. Other people are using local. Yeah, that's okay. One time is sufficient. You can click on refresh. Refresh. Yeah, the machine, the status is running right now. So after few seconds, yeah, refresh again. Okay, after few seconds, yeah, deallocating. So it is removing the RAM and processor. Okay.
So this one after the trial only it will charge, right? As if for one
Yes,
version.
after 30 days, it will start. If you would like to continue, then it will charge you 14 rupees. Right now, it will not charge anything.
For
Okay.
lab, we don't have any limitation, right?
We have limitation $200. That is somewhere around 15,000. Got it?
For an Oracle, no license, right? We can use.
Yeah, license. Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay, guys. So um, everyone on the same page, Karthik, Moin, and Surinder. Moin, I think you will do it
Yes.
later on, right?
Yes, sir.
You have good
Yes.
configuration on your computer already?
Yeah, I am having 16 GB RAM, 8 GB hard.
So why you did not download the setup?
The machine is not with me, it is in the office,
Okay.
and I have to take the permission and then I have to bring it to my home. So my manager was not
Okay.
there
So you
yesterday.
will do
Yeah,
it on office computer.
yeah, it is a test computer, so I
Okay. So
have to
you will
take home. So
format that machine. That's the SSD
yeah,
one?
I will. Yeah, SSD one. I will
Okay,
format
guys.
that machine and I will download the crack versions of the window, and then afterward I will do all the settings.
You don't have to download the crack version. You can download the same OS which we
Same office
downloaded.
or of okay, okay,
Same operating system. Yeah. The one which we downloaded. And you
okay,
put it on USB, okay, flash
okay,
drive, and then build that laptop.
okay.
Understand?
Thank you.
Okay, guys. So we will stop right here. I will share the recording later on. Any question before we wrap it up?
Nothing from my side, sir.
Sound good as well.
Hmm?
Nothing from my end.
Okay. We'll meet tomorrow, guys. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank
Bye,
you,
everyone.
Kash.
Thank you, sir.